Use 720p for better image quality. Story 22. Sheila Story 2023 Melaka. SPM 1119 Trial Exam Question. 250 words essay. Question 5. The English Society is organizing a story writing competition. Begin your story with this sentence. It was a stormy night and the wind was howling outside Sheila's bedroom window. Sheila was. Your story should include the unusual experience faced by Sheila at that moment, how it turned out good at the end. Write your story. Notice, accuracy of Malay and Mandarin translation is not guaranteed. Essay is written by Mr. Sritharan A, L. Arumugam, B.Ed. TESL, Honours Degree Universiti Putra, Malaysia. CEFR C2 Qualification. Certified English Teacher. Email, srihero@gmail.com. YouTube channel, Malakaexplorer. Please click like, subscribe and share all my essay videos with all your friends and family, but let them watch it on YouTube. Please give generous donation to my CIMB Bank Berhad account, Malaysia, 7027996813 under my name. Thank you. Sheila's story. It was a stormy night and the wind was howling outside Sheila's bedroom window. Sheila was nestled under her duvet, the tumultuous weather echoing her restless thoughts. Suddenly, a peculiar tapping sound against the window pane broke the monotony of the storm. Curiosity piqued, she cautiously approached the window and was astonished to see a small, bedraggled owl seeking shelter. Moved by compassion, Sheila gently opened the window, allowing the creature refuge. The owl, seemingly grateful, hopped inside and perched on her desk. It extended its wing, revealing a tiny, intricately designed locket. Intrigued, Sheila opened the locket and was immediately enveloped in a whirlwind of colors and sounds. She found herself transported to a serene forest, bathed in the golden hues of sunset. Here, she encountered various woodland creatures who spoke of the importance of harmony and kindness. They shared stories of resilience and coexistence, which filled Sheila with a sense of purpose and belonging. As nightfall approached, the owl reappeared, guiding her back to her bedroom. The storm had subsided, leaving a sense of tranquility. Sheila felt a profound change within her. The owl's visit, which had seemed a mere chance, had unveiled to her a world of wonders and wisdom. Emboldened by this experience, Sheila began to write. Her words flowed with newfound confidence and insight. She shared her story, inspiring others to find magic in the mundane. The stormy night that had begun with unease had led to a discovery of inner peace and creativity, transforming Sheila's life in the most unexpected way.